So we're gonna cut the head flashing for our window here, and I've already measured it. It's 37¼ wide. And now for the back dam, which we're gonna create here, for Chilliwack, it needs to be about 5/8 of an inch, which is 1/10 of the driving range pressure. So I'm gonna measure out 5/8 on my end. I'm going to do a vertical cut just right up to the groove and come in from this side, and I like to snip it off at a little bit of an angle like that. And now I'm going to take my duckbill pliers, crimp it at the 5/8 mark, and bend it up. And next I'm just gonna flatten the back tab right there, just like that. And now to get my length, I just measure off this front edge, 35¼ and I'm also gonna mark a line 5/8 past there. And I'm gonna cut a vertical cut right there, just the top of the groove on the 35¼ mark. And I'm gonna cut straight through on the line 5/8 past. And then just cut this little tab off at a slight angle, like it did for the other side. Then bend up the tab here. And flatten the back. Now, come over here, and this will fit just right to the edges of our openings. And we're just gonna tack this on with some galvanized roofing nails.